Hello everyone, welcome to Gumboots Dancing. Before we get into it, here's a short history about Gumboots dancing. So gumboots are a safety shoe that was mainly developed for miners so that they can spend more time in poorly drained mine shafts. So at any point, these miners could just protest the horrible conditions and have a revolution or an uprising and then completely take over the mine. So they were not allowed to communicate just in case, so that they will not uprise. So the only thing that these miners were left with were their gumboots, and they used a combination of clapping, stomping, and slapping these percussive gumboots as a means of communication. So just like a lot of other instruments, what started as a simple means of communication flourished into something else. In this case, gumboots dancing. So another thing about gumboots is they are very easy to manufacture because you just use gum. How hard can it be? Oh, and I almost forgot, the gumboots fall under the idiophone family of instruments because the body of them is the one that produces the sound when struck. And also your claps also fall under the idiophone family of instruments. Okay, so let's go to the dancing part now. So a little bit of theory again, because we are not playing out here. So we'll start by learning to count like 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, right, left. And for now, you are always doing one with the right leg, so you're always starting with the right leg. So between each beat there is an and that's there, and it's faded for now because we're not playing it, so it's deactivated. So let's say we activate one of those ends. Let's say we activate one that comes after 3. It will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the and will be represented by slapping. Okay, so for now, let's say we activate another and that comes after 2. So it will be like 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So this will be the end of our first Gumboots dancing lesson, and I know it's simple for now, but it will start getting more intricate from lesson 2 going onwards. And for you to not miss that, subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Wash out.